Ever wondered what makes Thailand's beaches so unique and beautiful? The answer lies in the diversity and unique charm each one has to offer. Let's embark on a journey to explore some of the top beaches in this tropical paradise. First stop, Railay Beach in Krabi. This beach is a spectacle of dramatic limestone cliffs, crystal clear waters, and adventurous rock climbing opportunities. The intriguing part is its accessibility. It's reachable only by boat, thanks to the surrounding cliffs. Next, we set sail to Maya Bay in Koh Phi Phi Leh. Recognized for its role in the movie The Beach, the bay is a paradise of powdery white sand and beautiful coral reefs. However, bear in mind that it was temporarily closed for ecological restoration back in 2018. Moving on to the bustling Patong Beach in Phuket, it's a hub of vibrant nightlife, exhilarating water sports, and a host of accommodations to choose from. An ideal spot for those seeking an energetic atmosphere. In contrast, Kata Beach, also in Phuket, offers a quieter, more relaxed atmosphere. It's renowned for its excellent surfing conditions during the monsoon season. Our next destination is White Sand Beach in Koh Chang. True to its name, it boasts soft, white sand, making it perfect for sunbathing and swimming. Had Rin in Koh Phangan, famous for the full moon party, is our next stop. A monthly event where thousands gather to celebrate, it transforms into a tranquil haven outside of party hours. Over to Nakpan Beach in Palawan, which despite being part of the Philippines, is easily accessible from Thailand by boat. It's admired for its extensive stretch of golden sand and crystal clear waters. Ao Nang Beach in Krabi, another stunning sight, serves as a great base for exploring nearby islands and offers mesmerizing sunsets. Bottle Beach in Koh Phangan, accessible only by boat or a challenging hike, is a secluded paradise, boasting fine sand and calm waters. Railay Beach in Koh Tao, popular among divers, offers a vibrant nightlife scene and beautiful coral reefs just offshore. Sunset Beach in Koh Lipe, as the name suggests, is renowned for its breathtaking sunsets. It's a tranquil spot perfect for relaxation and snorkeling. Finally, we reach Phra Nang Cave Beach in Krabi. Famous for its cave, filled with offerings to the spirit of the drowned princess, Phra Nang, it showcases stunning rock formations and clear waters. Remember, the conditions and popularity of these beaches can vary quite a bit. It's always a smart move to research and plan your visit according to your preferences and the time of year you plan to travel. Plus, always check for any travel advisories or restrictions before visiting, as conditions can change. Happy beach exploring!